What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, John and Drinks, kung saan tutulungan ko kayo ng tips and tutorials on how to make drinks, cocktails, mocktails, and learn about bar. So if you're new to this channel guys, please don't forget to click the like and subscribe button, and let's make some cocktails guys. So for today, I'm here at Sarnies Roastery, and for today guys, is papakita ko sa inyo paano gumawa ng one of the classic cocktails here. So a very easy cocktail to make guys, with 3 ingredients, and then is a shaken cocktail. So for the first ingredient guys, ang gagawin natin is sugar syrup. Sugar syrup for 10 to 15 ml. And then for the next guys is lime juice, freshly squeezed lime juice. 15 to 30 ml. And then for our last ingredients guys is alcohol, which is rum guys. So we're going to use here is white rum. Pero for your rum guys, pwede kayong gumamit ng different types of rum. Dark rum, gold rum, or white rum. Pero for the classic cocktail na daiquiri, we only use here is white rum guys. So let's put around 40 to 60 ml. Have a quick stir. And let's put some ice to our shaker. And let's shake our cocktail guys for around 8 to 12 seconds. And let's strain it to a cocktail glass guys. So there you go guys, our classic cocktail here in Sarnies Roastery. Tikman natin guys kung lasa. Very good guys. So yun po, if you're interested in learning how to make drinks and cocktail, please don't forget to click the subscribe button na po. If you're here in Bangkok, or some of my Filipino friends here in Bangkok, please visit me here in Sarnies Roastery, and then I will give you like 10% discount with all our cocktails and drinks. So see you guys next time. God bless everyone. Maraming salamat po. Cheers!